this has been a really tough year. And when she said we were going to be learning something new, I'm like, I could learn something new instead of just being what I was in. So learning something new, I never used Chat GPT ever in my life. So she said, we're gonna learn that. I'm like, oh great, I'm gonna learn something. So I was kind of excited just to learn something new to get me out of my own, goo, mess, whatever you wanna call it. That I'm just allowed to be in where I am in. Be at where I'm at too. I hold that space for everyone else. I didn't hold it for myself. So that's what I'm taking away from today. Especially the group of ladies and gentlemen that we were with today. They're all doing the same thing. They're holding space for themselves. Because it gets you out of your own way. It just helps you learn something new, release what you thought was working for you, and step into something that actually might support and help you.